Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I have a new flashlight brand, Trustfire. I never reviewed a light for them before. It's the Mini X3. It's really nice. It has 3 different LED types and a laser built in, so that's pretty cool. Maximum of 1500 lumens, USB-C chargeable. It has a built-in battery that I'm not a big fan of, but it's a really nice light. Comes in a nice cardboard boxing with already a few information printed on. So you see it's waterproof according to IP6. It has a maximum runtime of 152 hours, maximum beam distance 128 meters, and it weighs 39.3 grams including the battery. As for the size, it's 102 millimeters long, 33 millimeters wide and 24 millimeters high. So I would say we open it up. I got it in the grey titanium gold version. It also exists in other colors. So we have a manual in Chinese, English, German, French and so on. We have the light, really nicely machined. USB-C charging cable. As you can see, it's a nice color. It has a 1500 milliamp built-in battery, serial number, sharp engravings. There's a magnet in the tail. So that's nice. You can use it as a working light. We have the operation switch and the mode switch. So it has one UV light, one green laser, one spotlight with 5700 Kelvin, and it has one High CRI LED with a CRI of 95 and 4000 Kelvin. So that's pretty nice. We'll go to the first mode, the laser. You push the button for half a second, then the laser turns on. You see there's a battery indication in the switch. As long as the light is green, it means it's fully charged. Then it will turn yellow and then it will turn red. Long press to turn off again. You can also leave it on and go to the spot mode. Also long press to turn on or off again, and then single clicks to cycle through low, medium, high, turbo. So that's pretty cool. Long press for about 1.5 seconds will activate the UV light. We'll turn off the lights here one time to see. You can see the UV light works. And then one down, and then we are in the nice flood mode with 3 modes, with low, medium and high or turbo, how you want to call it. And then long press to turn off. So that's pretty cool. It has a reverse pocket clip that you can unscrew. So I will now show you the charging function. So just plug in the USB-C and it will light in red, and as soon as the battery is fully charged it will turn into solid green. So that's pretty nice. You also have the possibility to lock the flashlight. That's important if you can't do tailcap lockout. To lock the flashlight you have to double click the button when the light is off. The light will flash 2 times and then it's not possible to turn it on. So the laser will blink, as you can see, no matter in which mode you are. It will blink 2 times but not turn on, and then another double click to turn the light on again. So that's pretty nice. I think that's about everything that there is to say about this light. I will tell you the output modes and the values that I measured in my ulbrichtball when we are outside for the Beamshots. So I will fully charge the light now and then we will see each other outside. Hey guys, we are outdoor now with the Ultrafire Mini X3. I'm in the highest mode of the spot, which is indicated with 1050 lumen. I only measured 780. I will now dim down to the lowest mode, which is indicated with 3.5 lumen. I measured 2.3 lumen, so that I really like that there's a nice low mode. Now we are in the 55 lumen mode, which I measured with 40 lumen. 215 lumen mode, which I measured with 133 lumen, and then the turbo with only 780 measured lumen. So a bit disappointing that the lumen are not reached that they indicate. I will now switch to the warm Floodlight, the lowest mode, which is indicated with 5 lumen. I measured with 6.6 lumen, and then 55 lumen, which I measured with 30 lumen, and the 303 lumen mode, which I measured with 280 lumen. So it has a really nice usable beam. It's a nice flashlight with a lot of gimmicks. The only thing that I don't really like is that the battery is built in, and that the lumen indication are not reached. I will now switch to the laser so that you can see the laser point. It has a nice beam distance. It's a small laser, but more powerful lasers are forbidden here in Europe, so probably that's why they opted for this one. I will also go to the ultraviolet LED, so that's pretty handy. It's a really nice EDC with a lot of cool features. Maybe they can try to reach the lumen indication a bit better, but overall, for the price that you have to pay for it, it's a really good deal. So I hope all the questions have been answered. If not, please make sure to put them in the comment section and I will do my best to answer them. As always, I would really like if you would hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up. See you soon, guys. Bye bye.